Hello and welcome back to the GBRLIFE vlog. I'm Caitlin and today we're diving into a tool that promises to revolutionize the way you manage your tasks. Any.Do. Any.Do isn't just another task management app. It's designed to streamline your entire day, ensuring that from morning till night you're on top of everything without feeling overwhelmed. In this review, I'll explore its pricing, pros and cons, and give you an in-depth tour of its features. If you're all about enhancing productivity and organizing your life with ease, then you're in the right place. Make sure to keep watching and hit that subscribe button for more insightful tutorials, parenting hacks, and reviews like this. Remember, here at GBRLIFE, we drop new content weekly, along with maintaining a vibrant blog, engaging podcasts, and our stylish, comfortable clothing line, Mama Koala. Now let's dive into the details right after our quick 10-second intro.
Going to ask you a million questions.
What exactly is Any.Do? Well, let's peel back the layers. Any.Do is your digital organizer, available across iOS, Android, and web browsers. It excels in bringing simplicity and efficiency to your daily routine by allowing you to manage tasks, set reminders, and even share lists with family or team members. The beauty of Any.Do lies in its intuitive design. You can quickly add tasks, organize them into categories, set priorities, and even integrate them with your calendar for a holistic view of your day. But what truly sets Any.Do apart is its commitment to making task management as effortlessly as possible. The app includes innovative features like voice entry, which lets you add tasks on the go by simply speaking to your device, and a unique daily planner that suggests an optimal time for completing tasks. Now let's dive into those pros and cons. In your pros, you have a user-friendly interface. Any.Do boasts a clean, minimalist design that makes navigation a breeze. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, you'll find managing your tasks straightforward and hassle-free. And then there's the cross-platform compatibility. When you use Any.Do on your smartphone, tablet, or computer, your tasks will sync seamlessly across all devices, ensuring you have access to lists no matter where you are. And then you have voice recognition. Adding tasks with your voice is not only futuristic but incredibly practical. Whether you're driving, cooking, or simply don't have a free hand, just speak your task into existence. And then you have smart reminders. Any.Do doesn't just remind you about your tasks, it learns your schedule and suggests the best times to tackle them, ensuring you're always maximizing your productivity. Plus the collaboration tools, planning a family event or working on a group project. Any.Do has some sharing features that do make it easier to collaborate with others by assigning tasks and track progress together. So what are the cons? Well, you do have limited features in the free version. And while Any.Do does offer a robust free version, some of the more advanced features, such as location-based reminders and customized themes, require a premium subscription. Occasionally, there are some sync issues, and some users have reported delays in syncing across devices. While this isn't a constant issue, it's something to be aware of if you rely heavily on real-time updates. And it's simpler than some competitors. So for users looking for complex project management tools, Any.Do might feel a bit basic. It's designed for simplicity and ease, which may not satisfy those who need detailed project tracking features. But let's take a closer look inside of Any.Do. Upon opening Any.Do, you're greeted with a streamlined interface showing your tasks for the day. And you can just simply add a task by just clicking the plus sign. So if I were to go over to my lists, right here on the bottom, there's a plus sign, and I can just go ahead and add a list. Go to lunch. And that's as simple as it is. But you can also use your voice commands or even add tasks via email. And you can organize these into personal or work-related categories. Right here, which match my lists. And then you also have your ability to add deadlines or even attach files or notes. Plus, I can label it. You can add those files or notes for additional context right here. And you can mark it as complete. I mean, it's pretty simple. So let's create a task right now again. Go to lunch. Personal. We'll call it a priority. Tomorrow. At 1 p.m. Set. Call mom. Subtask. And it's as easy as that. Now it's right there, part of my list. Go to lunch. And if I select my day, you can see it right there. It really is that simple. Plus, you can see where you can connect the Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and really so much more. Plus, it took a whole 5 seconds to sign up for it. All I had to do was go to Any.Do, go ahead and log in by selecting the method I wanted to log in, and then they immediately asked if I wanted to purchase a premium plan. I selected no, but if I wanted to change that, I can just go ahead right here and select if I want the premium plan. And speaking of the premium plan, let's talk some pricing. I do find that Any.Do is quite accessible. It does offer this free version for the basic task management, and then the premium version only really starts at about $5.99. Now, of course, you can see here that you do have different tiers to that $5.99. That's per month, but if I were to select the 12-month option, it would only be $2.99. Of course, I'd have to pay those $2.99 in advance, or if I pay 6 months in advance, it's only $4.49. And by doing that, I'm going to get reoccurring tasks, custom themes, the WhatsApp integration, color tags, AI-powered features, and the unlimited planner. Which is some pretty great options outside of the free option, and it doesn't break the bank. As you can see here, I have listed free, premium, and premium plus. With premium, you get exactly what I mentioned. With premium plus, remember, that's really what's going to allow it to integrate into those additional tasks. In summary, Any.Do offers a streamlined, intuitive approach to task management. It's perfect for anyone looking to keep their personal and professional life organized without the hassle of a complicated setup. However, while it's a solid app, it may not replace more sophisticated project management tools, if that's what you're looking for. So overall, I'd really give it a 4 out of 5 because of the simplicity. Anyone can use it, and they really added in the extra benefits of AI and voice and all those little fun things like that. But it is basic, so it isn't going to get a 5 out of 5 because of that. Do you have any questions about Any.Do? Or is there any other productivity tool you're curious about? Drop your questions and suggestions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from every single one of you, and if you have any questions, I'll have answers. And that's it for today. Next week, we'll be looking at Beacons.ai, a platform designed to enhance your digital presence. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so that you're notified when the next video goes live. And remember, with all of our content on GBRLIFE.com and our fabulous Mama Koala clothing line, you don't have to be without GBR Life in your life. See you next time.